let's go ahead and make this piñata inspired from Pinterest. Savannah loves unicorn so much, that's why we've decided to create this one. These are all the materials that we will be needing in creating our very own DIY piñata. First, we have the carton box. This is from the recycled. Nakuha lang namin to ni Savannah sa baba ng aming building. Just the right time nung nagtatapon ng basura yung aming kapitbahay. So, pinikap na namin siya, of course. And then, we have yung takip ng ating kawali para sa pag-create ng base, the circle base for our piñata. Of course, we will be using glue, the hot glue, scissor and cutter, masking tape, ang ating colored paper. Meron din tayong glittery paper for the horn and the ear. So, let's go ahead and make this piñata. We're going to put the candy in it. So, we have to leave some space for the candy later on. So, it's because wala pa akong candy right now. So, tatanggalin ko to and then mag-iiwan ako ng open space for it. So, just like that. Clip natin itong corner. So we are going to cover it with crepe paper. Yes. Like we're going to cut 2 inches. Like that. And then just cut everything like this.
Everything like that.
Like this. To make the hair.
Right?
So I like it a little bit fine. So it's going to turn out really nice.
Oh.
So just cut it like that. You have to have a space allotted for you to glue it.
I can put the white on.
Yeah.
With the white glue.
So, ganun siya. So, ganito yung gagawin natin. Babalutan natin to. Mag-start tayo sa baba. Okay? Something like this.
Let me do the glue.
Supposed to be like that. Okay?
Can I put the glue in there?
Wait, mag-start tayo sa baba like that. Okay? And then, cover natin siya going up.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.